Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how your phone just knows to group all the pictures of your grandkids together? Or how your email inbox magically gets rid of most of that junk mail for you? Well, the answer to that is something called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this technology and show you how it's already a part of your life. Now, before we really dive in, just a quick note. This tutorial from Virtualization Options LLC is meant to offer some general information about artificial intelligence, specifically for older adults. We're here to be your friendly guide, but please remember this is for learning purposes, not a substitute for any professional advice. You know, it really does feel like AI is everywhere, doesn't it? You turn on the news, you open a magazine, and there it is again. If you feel like you're trying to keep up with something that's moving super fast, believe me, you are not alone. But we're here to help make sense of it all. And here's the good news. It really is easier to understand than you might think. You absolutely do not need to be a computer whiz to get the hang of it. We're going to cut through all the confusing jargon and really focus on what matters to you, how AI can help you stay in touch with family, manage your health, and importantly, keep you safe from scams. Think of this as a quick tour of what's to come in our full 9-part guide. It's designed to give you everything you need to feel more confident as you navigate our digital world. So, let's start at the beginning with the basics. In our first section, we'll cover what AI really is, and you might be surprised to find out all the places you're already using it every single day. So, what is artificial intelligence, really? The simplest way to think about it is like a smart assistant for your computer or phone. It's a computer's ability to do things that would normally take a person to figure out, like recognizing a face in a photo or knowing that an email is probably junk. That's all AI at work. But how do these machines get so smart? Well, they learn from experience, a lot like we do. In Chapter 2, we'll talk about how computers learn. It's a process where they look at a ton of examples, find patterns, make predictions, and then get better and better with practice. It's kind of like teaching a child to recognize a bird. The more birds they see, the better they get at it. And as you'll see, AI is already a big part of our lives. Chapter 3 will look at all the ways you're probably already using it. Things like voice assistants, Siri or Alexa, or those movie recommendations you get, your spam filter, even how your phone organizes your photos. It's everywhere. Okay, so now that we've got a feel for what AI is, let's talk about some really practical stuff. In this next section, we're going to look at how AI is being used in healthcare and, crucially, how you can use this knowledge to protect yourself. When it comes to our health, AI is becoming an amazing tool for doctors. In Chapter 4, we'll explore how it helps them analyze things like X-rays to find problems earlier than ever before. It's not about replacing your doctor, not at all. It's about giving them powerful new tools to help keep you healthy. Now, with all this technology, it's totally normal to wonder about your privacy. What information are these systems collecting? In Chapter 5, we're going to tackle that head-on and give you the knowledge you need to feel in control of your personal information and keep it safe. Okay, I really want you to listen to this next part because it is so important. Scammers are now using AI to fake voices. They can make a voice on the phone sound exactly like one of your loved ones. So that frantic call from a grandchild who says they're in trouble might be a scam. The number one rule is this: never ever send money just because of a phone call, no matter how real it sounds. Always hang up and call another family member to verify the story. In Chapter 6, we'll give you a whole toolkit for spotting these scams. But for now, here are the biggest red flags. If anyone creates a huge sense of urgency, if they ask for payment with gift cards or a wire transfer, or if they pressure you to keep it a secret, it's a scam. Just hang up the phone. All right, in our final section, we'll bring everything together and look at how you can use AI with confidence. We'll touch on how it's changing things with our finances, how we communicate, and even how we think about the future. So let's talk about money for a minute. You might have heard about something called a robo-advisor. What is that? Well, as you can see here, it's an AI-powered platform for investing. For simple financial goals, they can be a really great low-cost option. But for more complicated situations, you'll still want that trusted human advisor on your side. We'll dig into this in Chapter 7. Do you ever feel like you have to talk like a robot to get Siri or Alexa to understand you? Well, you don't. In Chapter 8, we'll share some simple tips. The trick is to just speak clearly and be specific, just like you would with a person. No robot voice needed. As AI gets more and more advanced, it brings up some pretty big questions. For example, if a self-driving car has an accident, whose fault is it? These are tough questions without easy answers. And in Chapter 9, we'll explore some of these ethical challenges and talk about why it's so important for all of our voices to be part of the conversation. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground in this quick tour, from the very basics of AI all the way to some of the big questions that are going to shape our future. So, what's next? If you take just one thing away today, I hope it's this. AI is not something to be afraid of. It's just a tool. And like any tool, the better you understand how it works, the more power you have to use it safely and to your advantage. By taking a little time to learn about this stuff, you're doing more than just gaining knowledge. You're really taking control of your digital life. So, are you ready to take that first step? Your journey into the world of AI is ready to begin. We hope you'll join us for Chapter 1, where we'll answer that big question: what is artificial intelligence? We can't wait to see you there.